Still not sure how all this stuff works? No problem at all. Just watch the simple video that'll explain how it works in detail, and then make sure you request a live demo. We'll talk to you soon.
Okay, how does all this work? Let's start with the basics. What is a QR code? Well, defined by my 65-year-old dad, it's like a link to a website, but you just point your phone at it versus click on it with a mouse. So, check it out below. With an iPhone, a Droid, a BlackBerry, or any kind of smartphone, you simply scan the code, and then the phone will load whatever it is that that code points to. In this case, a simple sign-up form. QR codes are replacing many traditional marketing materials. For example, conventional coupons. Check out the left side. We have your traditional print or cutout type coupon that you would have to bring down physically to a store and redeem at that point. On the right hand side, we have one that you can scan. Now, when you scan a coupon, it will load it in your smartphone. I think we can all agree that most people carry their smartphone everywhere they go versus a stack of coupons. So immediately it makes it more likely that they'll have the coupon on them and be more enticed to use it when they're near your business. In addition to that, you can do web coupons where people can redeem them online versus having to come down physically to your store if that's possible for your business model. So QR code coupons are much more superior than the played out old school print coupons. Next, lead boxes and business card drop boxes. On the left hand side you can see the good old lead box where you fill out some information on a piece of paper and drop it in or put your business card in. These things all have one thing in common today. They're empty. They're collecting dust. Usually you find them tucked away on the corner of a counter, and usually they're not even that noticeable. Look on the right hand side. This is the new replacement. It's a QR code contest. The first thing you should notice is that it's not even inside the store. People, as they walk by, can actually scan it through the window, and they can provide their information instantaneously. It doesn't require anyone to go and gather those particular lead forms or business cards and enter the information in after the fact. It's actually added to a central contact manager, so goodbye to lead boxes and business card drop boxes. Lastly, we have the good old promotional brochure or pamphlet. Look on the left hand side. This piece here is expensive to print, and once it's been printed, you're pretty much chained to whatever you put in it until you decide to print a new batch. On the right hand side, we have a QR code that points to an online brochure or an online pamphlet. The immediate advantage is as you need to make changes, you can do so without having to reprint. Also, in an online brochure or pamphlet, you can put things that are dynamic like videos. And there's a saying that a picture is worth 1,000 words. Well, a video is worth 1,000 pictures. So promotional brochures are also out the door. QR codes are sprouting up everywhere. People are putting them on t-shirts, bumper stickers, the sides of their building, huge billboard displays. Some are even going as far as putting a tattoo on their body. And this might surprise you, but also tombstones have QR codes on them now, so people can scan and be pointed to a website in memory of the person who passed. This is all pretty crazy, isn't it? But it does make us ask the question, why the popularity? Well, let's break it down. QR codes replace static print marketing with dynamic offline to online marketing. With the right help, you can change what your QR code points to at any time. So seasonal promotions become a breeze because you simply change what the QR code points to and leave all of the printed materials just how they are. You can also make changes to your online brochure anytime you change products or services or decide to add something new. And don't forget, you can start running a daily or weekly deal immediately. Just get a QR code poster in place and change whatever product you're featuring as need be. Think of how much time and money you would save if you didn't have to print materials anymore and you just ran a QR code campaign. And also, let's not forget about the cool factor. People walking by are curious to find out what a QR code points to, and you're much more likely to build a big list of people to market to. Okay, time for what matters. How can you take advantage right now? First, you can get instant sales, run a deal, and attract the walk-by traffic in to start purchasing from that deal. Secondly, you'll build a list without having to ask anyone for their info. You don't have to worry about staff that don't have the social skills to build a list on their own. People will simply scan the poster and the list builds itself. In case you're not convinced yet, I'll break down why some businesses are still not using QR codes. It's simple. They don't have the time to set it up, they don't know how to set it up, or worse, they're not even aware of this trend at all. The truth is there's no valid reason to fall behind. It's very low cost to get it going. You just need a company to simplify the process and get you started, and from there, you'll be running on your own. Here's how we can help. We'll set up the first poster in your business based on how you would like to start. That could be running a daily deal, some form of enter to win contest, or some kind of scan and stay updated with our business. Next, we'll set up the mobile page the QR code will point to. We'll also set up the first automated email to go to the list you build as they scan, and we'll teach you how to send sequential emails manually or autopilot, meaning you can send them at any time or set up a preset schedule. Lastly, we'll provide you with a contact manager that stores all the contacts the QR codes generate from people scanning, and we'll even provide you with both a website and a mobile website you can customize. In addition to all of this, there's many other apps that you can add in the future if you need them, like point of sales in an online store, payment processing, social media services, professional web design, and more. But for now, it's time to take action with a simple QR code campaign. Here's how. Request a live demo and then get started. Your first month is only $10 plus the cost of the poster design, which is $25. Note, there's a really good chance that this offer will expire before we take this video down, so take action ASAP. We look forward to working with you.